Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony's Technician channel, and today we're going to be going back into the Home Depot website and looking at their deals that they have going on, more specifically their buy one kit combo. Basically you buy one of these kits and you get a free tool or two free tools with it. So these deals are fantastic. These aren't the standard deals that we've gone over where it's just discounted tools. These are where you can really get some good tools for basically free. So these are ones that you don't want to pass up, especially if you're in need of tools, and they're by every brand. You got Milwaukee, Ryobi, DeWalt, Makita, and Ridgid all performing this deal, varying in details as far as what you get and what you purchase. But all around, this is just a real quick video that I wanted to share with you guys. We'll go into each one so you can see what you get with the purchase. And then I'll give you kind of an idea of what you're paying for. So with this, these are going to be the most popular ones where you just buy batteries and you're going to get a free tool. So with the Milwaukee, you can see buy one of these kits, get up to 2 free select power tools. So with the lowest price set, you're basically buying 2 batteries and a charger, which this is actually a really good deal in itself, because I want to say, if I remember correctly, the Milwaukee batteries already, the 5.0 batteries, run like $150. Just for one by themselves, then like $250 for two. So you're getting 2 batteries and a charger for $200, and then you get a free tool on top of that. So here it is, down from $300, a $300 value, you're getting for $200. So you're saving $100 there, and then you're able to select a free gift with this one. This one is just one tool in addition to the purchase. So you can either get another 5.0 battery for $160, or all of these are free. This is just what they originally cost. They have the cordless inflator, a dual battery, rapid charger, sheet sander, oscillating multi-tool, leaf blower, angle grinder, router, screw gun, reciprocating saw, jigsaw, hex impact driver. This is the surge. And then down below, I'm kind of in the way, I know. This is just a floodlight. So definitely a lot of good options. It's not like you're narrowed down to, 5 options. They have quite a bit to offer here. And then like the next one up, you got $400 and $500 for these sets. It's a 2-tool, 2-battery case and charger. And then the $500 one is the 4-tool with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. And then you get 2 free tools with that one as well. So here are some different options. It is going to have the same items available as far as the free items that you get to select from. But either way, that is the Milwaukee Deals, and I by far think this is basically going to be the most popular across all brands, is when you just have to buy the batteries and then you get a free tool along with it. So here's the Ryobi, $159 plus you get a free select tool. They have the 1/4-inch impact driver, angle grinder, 1/2-inch impact, circular saw, jigsaw, oscillating multi-tool, and the reciprocating saw, all ranging from $100 to $180 worth of value that you would get for free. I'm not personally somebody that uses Ryobi, but I know a lot of people who do. Next up is the DeWalt one. Buy one of these kits, get up to 2. So it's basically the exact same deal that you got going on with Milwaukee, you have here going on with DeWalt. Unlike the Milwaukee, this is like I said before, you're saving $100 because this is normally $300 worth of product here for $200. This isn't usually $400, so it's $233 because the 6 amp hour, I want to say, ranges around $90, and the 4 amp hour battery ranges around $60 to $70. So still definitely a good set for $200. You're getting your money's worth there. Plus you get a carrying case and charger with the 2 batteries. But with this is something, actually a viewer said he did this just the other day, which was genius, because I just recently, within the last few months, picked up their new mini cutoff tool, which is like $180 if I remember correctly, $170, $180 for the tool itself, and I purchased it. I love that tool, but basically they have that as an option here, and you're paying $200, so $20, $30 more than what I paid. I could have, for the tool alone, I could have got 2 free batteries and a charger and a bag, if that makes sense. If I would have purchased this at $200, I would have got the tool for free. Unfortunately, I missed out. It happens. but right now is definitely a good time to do so. So if you're interested in any one of these tools over here that they have to offer, that is why it's a good time to purchase something like this set here. What they have for options is the Bluetooth speaker, the grinder, circular saw, oscillating multi-tool, small angle grinder, router, jigsaw, reciprocating saw, another 5 amp hour battery, which they have here at $179. That is not correct. Orbital sander, 3-inch cutoff tool. That's what I have, and I paid right around that price for this. Well, dang it. They also got a leaf blower, impact, 1/2-inch impact, bandsaw, hammer drill, and the Flex Volt 6 amp hour battery as well. I know you can't see that down below. That is a $199 value right there. So a lot of options available here on the DeWalt side as well. So yeah, this is a great time if you're interested in that 3-inch cutoff tool, which I absolutely love. I'm really regretting this now because obviously I could have had 2 additional batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag for just, $20, $30 more. At least if you guys are interested, you guys can get this right now. Now keep in mind, these deals are going on. They vary. So the Milwaukee ends at the end of January next year. The Ryobi ends the beginning of January. DeWalt is January 29th. And here are the other 2 kits that they have, which is a $400 deal and a $600 deal. And then Makita has a couple options as well. They have their $200 deal, which is 2 5 amp hour batteries, a bag and charger, and their free items are going to be a leaf blower, cordless inflator, angle grinder, router, circular saw, jigsaw, reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, and cordless ratchet. A decent amount of options for the Makita side as well. Not quite as many as the Milwaukee and DeWalt, but still a decent lineup of options there. And this is normally a $235 value down to $200, so you're saving a little bit of money there, just like the others, and then you're getting a free tool along with it. These come around a few times a year. They do this, and then they'll have like other ones basically throughout the year, but like right now is probably one of the best deals going on with all of these brands. So it's not just like one select brand or anything like that. Here's Ridgid. They have a $169 set, a $269 set, and a $400 set. So with the most popular being the $169 set, which is once again 2 batteries, which is a 4 amp hour and a 6 amp hour battery, at $170. You're saving $148. Originally $317. Once again, I'm not a big Ridgid user. I don't personally own any Ridgid, so Ridgid, Makita, Ryobi, I don't personally use or own. I have used a couple items from these brands, but I don't have a lot of personal experience with them. So if this is your brand that you use, obviously you take it for what it is and decide what the good deals are here. But Ridgid has to offer another 4 amp hour battery, an angle grinder, circular saw, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, LED spotlight, a router, and a jigsaw. Value ranging anywhere from $100 to $180 on these items. So once again, all of the brands have basically the same deals going on, varying in size sets and things that are available for free, but these are just some really good deals going on right now, especially in the world of today, with prices being a lot higher than they were just a few years ago. We got to capture these deals when we can. So if you've been interested in any tools, or you've been looking at purchasing batteries for your lineup in any of these brands, whatever you use, if you're looking at, you need a couple batteries, this is the time to buy it. You're saving a little bit on the batteries and you're getting a free tool. Or if you're interested in a free tool, or if you're looking into a tool, if it's on that list for that brand, then you're basically, getting the batteries for free because you were going to purchase the tool in the first place, and the value is basically the same there. Most of the items on the side that you're getting free are, $100 to close to $200. So that's basically what you're paying anyways. So like I said, I can't really say it any better or any more than I already have, that we can't pass these up. If you're in need of something, these are some fantastic deals going on at Home Depot right now, so make sure to go ahead and check it out. And I will also have many tools that I suggest linked down in the description underneath the tools and tools continued link. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.